Hello friends, this is Raj Sastri from Raj Option Trading. Today is July 5th, 2022. Hope you're all doing okay. In today's segment, we will take a look at stocks with a heavy insider as well as institutional buying. So with that, we got a company here, Warby Parker, eyeglass company, very good insider buy. Let's take a look at companies like Warby Parker with great insider buy as well as institutional buy, and see if we can make money with these stocks. With that, let's jump in and get started. We'll start with a quick market update and look at the stocks with volume more than $500,000, as well as there is a heavy insider and institutional buying. And finally, we'll conclude with few stocks we can buy and take advantage of this heavy institutional buying. Alright, so let's jump in here, look at the market. From a market perspective, look, we had S&P 500 futures are down slightly, 3.50, and look, today we had not so great day. Overall market is trending down, as you can see here, and Dow Jones Industrial Average also trending down. Futures market it's pointing to slightly lower opening. And we got Nasdaq, same story here, generally trending lower. And Russell 2000, same story. Now it's trying to get some strength, as you can see here, and bonds are having some party here. It's going higher, as you can see here. 30-year treasury is going higher, and 10-year treasury index, or the interest rates, is coming down. That's a good story here. Looks like J. Paul's plan is working here. Treasury is coming down, and crude oil, after partying for a long time, it's coming down, as you can see here. So it looks like there is a demand for crude is slightly reducing, probably. That's why crude is coming down, as you can see here. And also gold is coming down. It's mainly because of the US dollar. Look, as the dollar is getting strengthened, it will have impact on the commodities like crude oil and also precious metals like gold, silver, and so on and so forth. That's what's going on here. Alright, now let's jump in here and look at stocks with a heavy insider buying. Look, we got the list here, and this list is sorted by insider buying. The stock at the top here has got highest insider buying, which is Eastman Kodak, as you can see here. And stock is, it did not make money for investors in 6 months, 1 year, 5 year. It lost money. But look what's going on here. We got both insiders as well as institutional buying, and RSI is still 40. RSI is still 46. That tells you stock is still sold off here, and there is a high short ratio. That's one of the reasons this stock is going higher. This stock wants to squeeze those short sellers. That's why it's going higher, and they do have some money. Nice $300 million cash on the balance sheet, and also overall score is pretty okay here. And we got a few more here. We got Freshworks. If the RSI is over 58, I'm not interested at this time. I would pass up on this. Instead, if the RSI is low, like JELD here, I would be a buyer of stock like JELD here. Look, stock is already going higher, as you can see here. This one is a good company here, and RSI 46 tells it's sold off here. And we got MSTR here, MicroStrategy. Look, this company is big into crypto, as many of you know here. And look at that short ratio, very high short ratio. Stock is already squeezing the short sellers, as you can see here. Even up here, this can have some strength here. So RSI is 46. You can still buy some MSTR and make some money. And if you're, you can also buy some call option on this one here. If you're interested, and make some money that way also. And we got a few more here. Keep watch on the RSI level here. We got iHeart Radio here, very low RSI, as you can see, it's just 30. Overall score is pretty good here. Right now it's not showing some strength, as you can see here, but you could buy some given it's a low price stock, and it's got positive net margin, just 1%. And the list goes on, and we got a few more. I love stocks with a little more lower RSI. You could look at IVZ also. This one also did not make money for investors, but look, they got a lot of cash on the balance sheet, as you can see here. And list goes on here. We would look at some of these in a little more detail. I love stocks like Warby Parker here. It's a good one. You could buy this one given the RSI low. Look, it's just 31 is the RSI. And as you scan through here, we got a few more with low RSI. AFRM, which is a good company, fintech company here. You could buy AFRM also here. Look, it's trying to go higher. Nice 15% jump today, and RSI is still 46. You could still buy here. And Norton LifeLock here. We could buy this one also here. Very low RSI 38. Stock is not responding yet, but this could respond as you go forward. And you could buy this company here. It's a net margin positive company. It's making money, as you can see here. And we got OPCO. OPCO already went nicely here. I would probably wait for a pullback here. All right, so now let's jump in here and look at a few more. So list is continuing, as you can see here. Keep a watch on RSI levels here. I love the ones with the lower RSI level. Look, we got few here, and as you can see here, we got one right here, Paramount. Paramount has got very healthy overall score, 75. Stock is not showing any improvements yet. You could still buy this one here and participate in the in this upward momentum here. And we got Groupon here. Look, Groupon right now it's a low RSI 37. Stock is responding and going higher. You could buy some Groupon also here. And as we scan through, we got a few more with lower RSI here. We got Franklin, lower RSI 46. Stock is responding. Nice insider buy as well as institutional buy. You could buy Franklin also here. Just $4 stock, as you can see here. But be careful, because this company has not made money for investors, as you can see here. But nice and healthy overall score that tells you the stock can go higher. And we got a few more, as you see here. We got one with nice and high overall score, 93 here, which is AHCO. But look, RSI is high. I would not buy at this time here. Instead, you could buy stock like Shift4 here, fintech play, completely clobbered here. Low RSI, you could buy stock like this one, Shift4 here. All right, so as you scan through here, you got a few more here. Keep a watch on the overall RSI level here. We got low RSI candidates right here, and look, all these candidates are not doing well in the near term here. But you could look at OEC here. Look, it's trying to go higher in 10-day here. You could look at that one. There's a pocket of strength here. All right, now let's jump in here. Let's look at stock to the heavy institutional buying. Look, we got the list here. Keep a watch on institutional buying here. It's in the descending order, nice and high institutional buy, and few of these stocks have got high insider buy also. Look, we got MYPS at the top here, nice and high insider buy. Stock is responding and going higher, as you can see here. RSI is still low. You could still buy the stock here. And you got Warby Parker. We talked about this already. You could buy this one also here. And you got a few more, as you see here. Look, we got Paramount. We talked about this. Very nice overall score here. You could still buy Paramount here. And we got a few more, as you see here. Look, Allbirds here. Allbirds is also trying to go higher, as you can see here. After getting clobbered, this stock is going higher. You could take advantage. Still low RSI. You could still buy this one here. And I got a few more, as you see here. Now what we'll do is we'll go into one of my favorite scanning software, which is TC2000, and look at these stocks with the heavy insider buying and institutional buying, and see if we can buy some of these stocks here. All right, let's jump in here. Look at TC2000. I'll make it a little big here. Look, all these stocks have got heavy insider or institutional buying. So I would typically look at, first thing I would look for is a volume buzz here and see how is the volume doing. I'm interested if volume is going higher, and I also filtered this list by RSI less than 50, as you can see here. If I just go to the filter, you can see here I made sure RSI less than 50. Those are my favorite candidates. I'm not interested in chasing the stock when it's going higher. All right, so as you see here, look at the volume buzz here. We got few names with nice volume buzz. Look, we got MAC here. Look, just $9 stock here, nice volume buzz. That tells you volume is going into the stock. We could also bring up a quick chart here and look at the chart itself and go from there. Look, we got the quick chart coming up right here. I will make it a little bit bigger here. All right, so we could look at stocks like MAC here. As you scan through, look, stock is coming down, but there is some strength. There is some green candle here. Momentum is getting stronger. RSI is going higher, and on the balance volume is also trying to go higher. So you could buy stocks like this one here. And as you scan through here, we got a few more companies here. Keep a watch on the volume buzz. Look, we got MSTR, MicroStrategy, stock got clobbered, but look, volume is going into the stock right now. Stock is trying to go higher. You could buy stocks like this one also here. And we got a few more as you see here. I could even say positive volume buzz, or I could even sort by volume buzz here. So we could make it quicker. All right, so we got all these stocks have got nice volume buzz. Look at Carvana here, nice volume buzz here. Still RSI is low. You could buy Carvana at these levels here. Looks like on the balance volume, as you can see here, is on trending higher. As you can see here, Carvana could be a good one here. It crossed its 5-day EMA as well as 10-day exponential moving average. And we got MAC, we talked about this one here. It's also going higher, nice volume buzz. And look, we got a few more here with volume buzz. CMP here, Compass, it also has a nice volume buzz. And look, on the balance volume is going higher. You could take advantage here. Stock is still down today, also 4% down, but volume buzz tells you there is volume going into the stock right now. And we got a few more here. We got ENVX here. Look, this also has got nice volume buzz, as you can see here. Stock got clobbered. You could look at this one also here. And we got a few more as you see here with nice volume buzz here. You got Allbirds, good volume buzz. Even CDLX, nice volume buzz here. You could look at such stocks here and slowly buy those names here. Look, AFRM also nice volume buzz, just 1% increase. And iHeart is also okay here. You could look at such names here and slowly buy. We got BBTX here. Look, it's also making some move. Look at on the balance volume going higher. And we got APG here. Nice volume buzz. Looks like volume is going high. You could buy this one also and take advantage. All right, so with that, let's go back here. Let's quickly sum up. So just to sum up here, be careful when the market is very volatile here. Be very selective and typically look for lower RSI candidates here, so that way you don't get burned out. And look at the conservative traders should look for positive net margin, so that way you can buy these stocks for a little more longer term if you wish. And some of the stocks I love at these levels, we got JELD, MSTR, Six Flags, IVZ, WRBY, and so on and so forth. You could look at these companies, and you could also look at a few more that we talked about, like Allbird and so on and so forth. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.